Huh?
You're gonna need to play that.
When?
I don't know, for whatever, but it's gonna be like, you haven't done your homework, honey.
Are you close to catching somebody, you think?
I haven't done my homework?
Yes. We may be.
What kind of homework?
Did you?
You get all your stuff bought off. Inspections from the city. The snoring inspections.
I didn't know they did inspections for snoring.
Oh, they do.
Did she leave any records, any business?
What else would care?
Are they as much assholes with the snoring inspections as the other inspections?
Have you had one passed in the last 2 weeks?
No.
We'll get used to it, because it's going to take you 2 weeks from the day you start to get the first one passed.
So it's going to take the snore inspectors 2 weeks to pass an inspection?
Just one inspection. I mean, you get 30 more to go.
That's asinine.
They don't care. It's nobody's fault. It only costs the city government more money. So it's not their problem.
I'm not sure how we got to the subject when I said you should put your mask on.
Well, yeah, I see over there filming, but I don't have to do a damn thing till the inspectors give me a correction notice. So I can do that all I want. Nothing you can do about it.
Why do you think I'm filming? Huh?
You're a goofy bastard.
I'm the goofy bastard? No, I think you are. I'm pretty sure.
I just work with the city. If you call me that, I could say that's threatening and have you thrown in jail.
That's funny.